we've got one of our 2021 Broncos up on the list. We've got Jason here from MBRP. Now, MBRP has been a player, one of the biggest players in truck exhaust forever. Obviously, you guys dove right into Bronco as well.
Yeah, Bill, thanks for having me. So for sure, when the new Bronco was announced, we knew absolutely MBRP had to make a kit for this right away. It fits well into our market. We offer this kit here in Aluminized, as you see, as well as black and stainless steel.
Now with this kit, is this going to fit the 2.3 and 2.7? Will it fit 2 and 4 door?
Great question. So the nice thing about this kit is our one kit fits all platforms. 2.3, 2.7, 2-door, 4-door. Everything is the one kit, one part number, fits it all.
We start with the installation.
Let's do it. Out of the box, this will fit both your 2-door and 4-door. If installing on a 2-door, you cut 15 3/4 inches off and use both the brackets that are included in the box.
All right, Jason, what's the first step of the process here?
First step is we unbolt the muffler from the over axle pipe. Next, we remove the driver's side insulator holding the muffler on. And then we take off the insulator on the passenger side, being careful to not let the muffler fall as you remove it. Then we twist the muffler and slide it out of the pipe. Separate the down pipe from the mid pipe. And next we remove the hanger bracket from the frame rail. Remove the insulator from in front of the axle. And now with everything removed, bolts and insulators, we just slide it off the down pipe and slide the exhaust over the axle to remove. All right, now it's time to install. We grab the new MBRP pipe, slide that bracket that we said to keep back on, and slide onto the stock down pipe. We'll start them for now. Reinstall the stock bolts on the stock bracket. These you can tighten down because these won't affect anything for fitment. The easiest way to do this is actually to put the hanger, the MBRP hanger is hooked into the insulator. Take one of the included clamps, slide it over the over axle pipe, and then connect it to our front pipe. Be sure to orient the clamp in such a way that you can easily access it to tighten it down later. Now we snug down the clamp. Don't tighten it all the way yet. Give us a little more room for adjustments later. Next we slide our clamp, connect the second part of our over axle piece. Again, we'll snug the clamp, not tighten it yet. Gives us some room for adjustment later. And now it's time for the muffler. We slide the clamp on, facing it downward so we can access it later. First, you're going to want to slide this into the hanger. And then once you have most of the way in, go ahead and slide it into your over axle pipe. Bada bing, bada boom. We're going to snug the clamp just a little bit. We'll tighten it up again later. Once your muffler's in, you slide the clamp over the muffler outlet and then slide our tailpipe into that. And then we push it up and slide it into the factory exhaust hanger. Once the tailpipe is on, we snug down the clamp. Again, we're going to tighten it all later. Now that we have everything installed, we go back through and tighten down all of our clamps and nuts. Now with everything tightened down, let's get on the ground, hear how it sounds. So Bill, now the Bronco's back on the ground, what do you think?
Like I told you before, I was always a fan of MBRP, especially with the 2.3 liter, which this truck has. It's got a nice deep tone without being obnoxiously four-cylinder, which is pretty cool. And nice job with the install, by the way, too.
Yeah, thanks. MBRP has always been a leader in the EcoBoost market, and I think we knocked it out of the park on this one again.
As far as installation goes, this is pretty straightforward. Cat back, what do you figure? Hour and a half, 2 hours tops?
Yeah.
Back on the road in no time.
Or off the trail. It's an off the trail.